13 things to do before uploading your first YouTube video. Starting a YouTube channel is an exciting step towards sharing your creativity, knowledge, or personality with the world. But before you hit that upload button for the very first time, there are several important things to take care of to make sure your video performs well and represents your brand effectively. Here are 13 essential steps to take before uploading your first YouTube video. 1. Define your channel's purpose. Before you even shoot your first video, take time to clearly define what your channel is about. Are you starting a tech review channel, a travel vlog, a gaming channel, a lifestyle series, or something else entirely? Understanding your purpose will help guide every other decision, from the content you create to the style of your editing, the tone of your voice, and how you engage your audience. Ask yourself, what kind of content will I be making? What problems am I solving, or what value am I providing? What do I want my audience to feel or learn? 2. Identify your target audience. Knowing your audience is just as important as knowing your niche. Are you speaking to teenagers, young adults, parents, professionals, hobbyists, or a specific subculture? Understanding who you're trying to reach helps you tailor your content, language, and visual style to appeal to the people most likely to subscribe and engage. The more specific you are about your audience, the more likely you are to build a loyal community. 3. Research and validate your content ideas. Before you spend hours recording and editing, make sure there's actual interest in the topic. Use tools like YouTube Search Autocomplete, Google Trends, TubeBuddy or Vidic. These tools can help you find what people are already searching for, so your video has a better chance of getting discovered. Study what's already working in your niche, and think about how you can add your own unique twist. 4. Plan your first video carefully. Don't wing it. Even a casual vlog should have a structure. Whether you're scripting your video word for word or just outlining the main points, planning will help you stay focused and communicate clearly. Be sure your video includes a strong hook in the first 10 seconds, a clear value proposition what the viewer will gain, a smooth flow of ideas, a solid call to action like comment, subscribe. 5. Set up your YouTube channel properly. Before uploading, take the time to make your channel look professional. Choose a memorable channel name, upload a high-quality profile picture. Create a channel banner that visually represents your niche, write a compelling channel description. Organize your channel layout for a clean viewer experience. Also, set up your channel trailer. This can be your first video once uploaded to introduce new visitors to what your content is about. 6. Develop your channel branding. Consistency builds trust. Think about your channel like a brand. Choose a color scheme, font style, and tone that reflects your personality or niche. You can create the logo or watermark to add to your videos, and consider developing a short intro or outro that plays at the beginning or end of each video to help with brand recognition. Even your thumbnails and titles should reflect a cohesive style so that viewers recognize your content at a glance. 7. Gather the right equipment. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars, but certain basics are worth investing in. A camera or smartphone that shoots in at least 108p Hadan external microphone. Audio quality matters more than video. Proper lighting. Natural light works, but a ring light is an affordable upgrade. A tripod or stabilizer to avoid shaky footage. Good production quality shows that you care and helps keep viewers engaged. 8. Practice speaking and filming. The first time on camera is awkward for most people, and that's okay. Take time to practice. Record yourself and play it backward on your voice tone, energy, and passage. Eliminate filler words like and like. Look directly at the lens, not the screen. The more comfortable and natural you become, the more your personality will shine through on camera. 9. Learn basic video editing skills. Even simple editing can dramatically improve viewer retention. You don't need to be a pro, just learn the basics. Cut out pauses, mistakes, and awkward silences. Music royalty-free. Only use jump cuts, transitions, and overlays. Insert captions or subtitles if possible. Free tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or iMovie offer more than enough features for beginners. 10. Design a custom thumbnail. Your thumbnail is your video's billboard. It determines whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Make sure it's high resolution 1280x720 bright and easy to read, visually connected to your video. Content includes bold text and clear visuals. Contrast between background and text. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to design eye-catching thumbnails. Don't rely on YouTube's auto-generated ones. 11. Optimize video metadata for search. YouTube is the second largest search engine, so treat each upload like a piece of SEO content. Title: include keywords naturally and make it engaging. Description: explain the video in detail. Include keywords and link to your social media, website, or relevant videos. Tags: add relevant tags, don't overdo it. Hashtags: include up to 3 that are most relevant. Chapters: break up your video using timestamps to make navigation easier. 12. Upload privately first for final review. Before you publish, set your video to private or unlisted so you can watch it on different devices: phone, tablet, desktop. Check audio quality and pacing, spot typos in titles, descriptions, or captions. Test the thumbnail for visibility and clarity. This step helps avoid any embarrassing or avoidable mistakes. 13. Create a promotion strategy. Even the best videos need help getting seen, especially early on. Have a plan to promote your first video by sharing on your social media platforms, posting in relevant Facebook groups or online communities, sending it to friends and family and asking for honest feedback, engaging with your first viewers through comments and replies. Also, consider scheduling your video for a strategic time. Check when your audience is most active if you have any early data. Final thoughts: uploading your first YouTube video can feel overwhelming, but the key is to start prepared. By following these 13 steps, you're not only making your first video more successful, you're laying a strong foundation for long-term growth on YouTube. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Don't wait for perfection. Focus on improvement with every video and keep learning along the way.